Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $101. $96. I don't know if the sun is blocking that or not. There you go. I just died. $99. Had a bad grip on that one. $98. $98. Get a better grip. $98. And $97. All my hits. So 141, 101 first shot, 18 split puts me at 119, and then a 22 split puts me at 141 for the entire drill. See if I hit anything. So close, I better have. So here's my 2, and there's my 1. That was there from the first iteration when the target got pushed through. I think I missed my headshot. Like I pulled it right, just on the right edge. So there's my 2 to the body. There's my 1 to the head right on the edge. I pulled that one like a motherfucker. That was a slow ass 222. There's sunlight out here. I don't know how well you can see that. 224, sorry. So 144, that's where most of my time was. That first shot took way too long. 144, a 30 split, and then a 50 split. So we'll see if we can do better. So we have those 3 hits. We'll do it again. .298, so we're under the 3-second standard, but I think I have a miss. I'm not sure. We'll walk down and see. Some of these are touching. Yep, I got a miss. No, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's 2. You see how long that hole is? Let's make sure. Yeah, that's definitely 2 rounds.